What does it take for a cable to become a Sachsenkabel? It takes the Sachsenkabel Pulse online platform, which accompanies you from the order placement to the operation of the system and beyond. It takes people who consider your cable to be more than just a waveguide, who know that assembling cables takes craftsmanship and skill, which cannot be replaced by machines. Who can feel mere microns with their fingertips. People who use state-of-the-art technology to test every single cable to 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter. It takes a staff that does not take leeway too lightly. And whose top priority is your system's long-lasting functionality. To bring you a cable that you can monitor through the system even after shipping. Be it for data centers, broadcasts, or network operation, your Sachsenkabel can handle even the most extreme conditions. Heat, moisture, dust, or aggressive chemicals. It takes a reliable partner with 25 years of experience. A partner who can guarantee short delivery times at the highest quality, made in Germany. It takes a fiber optic cable that provides service far beyond its connector ends. It takes a cable that is digital. Only then will a cable become a Sachsenkabel.